Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता की तुमी आसतली सगळीं बरे भाशेन हे गोरमेन मातशें सुबेज उदक पियात and take care of your health. So today I am going to show cabbage simple stir fry in Goan style. So it's a Goan cabbage recipe where it is very simple and easy and quick. In English you can just say stir fry. So what you need, 200 grams of cabbage, and I have taken two Kashmiri red chilies, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of coconut. I'll be using a little bit of this caravan seeds, that is ajwain, 2 chopped sliced onion, and turmeric powder is I'm not going to add, so I will be adding only coriander powder. So let's start. We need oil and we'll fry our onion. कोंकणी न्ही सांगता तर आयज हांव कॅबेज करता. आमची गोंयची कॅबेज जी जावन आसा 200 ग्राम घेतल्या, 2 हांवें हरी मिरची घेतल्या, 2 हांवें आमची मिरसांग मिरची, 2 हांवें कश्मिरीची चिली घेतल्या, 2 मागीर 2 हांवें प्याव घेतला, हे शिनून घेतल्या, इल्लेशें हांव हे अजवेन घालतलें, इल्लेशें जिरें, इल्लेशें आमचे राय आनी 2 कुलेरा ह्यो नान. तर आतां आमी हें सगळें भाजून घेवया. तेल घालया. Now oil is coconut oil again, because Goa we make veg like this, simple veg by coconut oil, but you can add any other oil. And in this we will add our 1 tablespoon of oil, and we'll add our 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves, and little bit of ajwain. Let's saute this nicely. Now we'll add our green chilies. And we'll add our onion. Fry this till it becomes soft. Now we'll add our salt to taste, and our turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Now we'll add our cabbage. तर हे बरे भाशेन भाजल्या उपरांत आमची कॅबेज हितून घालुया. कॅबेज ती मागीर इल्लीशी जाता शिजतकच. तर मिक्स करून घे आणि धांपून दवरया मातसो. So we'll just mix this and then we will cover this and cook this for few minutes. If you want crunchy, then few minutes. If you want it fully cooked, then yes, cook it till it is nicely cooked. So we'll cover this now. So now we'll add our coconut. नाल घालुया आणि मिक्स करूया. आणि मातशें नालाक आनी हांकां बरे भशेन मातशें शिजोवन. So we'll again cover this and cook for few seconds. And we'll add actually this green chili also. More coconut, it tastes more yum. Let's cover this. So here our cabbage veg is ready. I'll put off the gas now and garnish it with some coriander. Again some coconut on this, chili and chili, and simple veg. Our Goan cabbage veg is ready to have in your plate. Thank you so much. Dev bare koru.